Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. If you are, my name is Jade Monet. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today, I'm excited to share with you guys this hair that was sent to me from HerGivenHair, as well as this technique that I used to install them with no leave out whatsoever. So all of my hair is protected, and the color I think is perfect for the fall season. So this hair is from HerGivenHair. This is one of their newer products. It is their highlight clip-in extensions, and this is in the texture Coily, which is meant to match 3C to 4A hair, and it's 18 inches and the color is brown highlight. I'm just really excited to share this method with you guys because it's perfect for, especially if you want to try different colors but you don't want to dye your actual hair. So right now none of my hair is out. So yeah, if you would like to see how I installed these clip-ins, then keep on watching. So this is what the hair looks like. There's no product on it. I've only co-washed the hair. I'm gonna start with my hair in a slicked back bun. It's sort of up to you how you'd like to place the clip-ins, but this is just how I did it. I would say that the lower half isn't as important as the upper half, so I'll explain how I do the top of my head when I get to that point. The one thing that I'll say is that it's extremely important for you to set aside the longest weft and the shortest weft, and I'll explain why when we get to that point, but that's just something to keep in mind as you're placing the clips. So I like to save the longest weft for the top of my head, and in this case it's the 5. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place it right at the end of my part, and I'm just gonna place it in a sort of straight line just across my head, and then from there I'm gonna fill in the gaps. I think it's easier to do it this way so that you can get an idea of where the top piece needs to be placed, and then just sort of filling in the rest of the gaps. Now at this point, if you'd like, you can just throw on a headband and call it a day. I decided to try something a little different. I wanted to try a braided, I think they're called like halo braids or something like that. But basically just using a braid as a headband. So I used my last 2 clip and I braided it and sort of made it look a little bit messy, and then I've just clipped it on one side and then bobby pinned it down. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I will catch you guys in my next video.